Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here to shed light on a critical aspect of engineering and manufacturing that sometimes goes unnoticed but is the most important, which is the machine shop safety and organization. We are Group 1 from BSME 21005 and we are eager to share with you the knowledge and the best practices we've gathered on this subject.
We will walk you through the types of machine shop, the safe worker, the significance of personal protective equipment, the machine-specific safety measures, organizing the shop, and emergency procedures. Each of these components plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety of workers and the efficiency of operations within a machine shop environment. To begin with, let's first look at the first component, which is the machine shop types. But before we proceed, let us first define the machine shop. A machine shop can be a small business or a section of manufacturing facility. A machine shop may stock raw materials or finished parts.
So first, there are three types of machine shops. First is the job shop. A job shop is a machine shop that is equipped with machines and workers that can undertake a wide range of machining jobs of limited quantity and usually of a very specialized nature. Second one is the limited production shop. A limited production shop falls between a job shop and a mass production shop. The third one is a shop is called the mass production shop where parts are manufactured in vast numbers. Automatic and numerically controlled machines are utilized to the fullest extent.
The safety workers, most accidents in machine shop are the result of carelessness. A skilled machinist is seldom involved in accidents. The careful operation quickly observes its potential danger and set off the pattern of words habits that will be keep him clear of any dangerous practice.
The skilled machinist drives us safely and is aware of the danger of flying chips and minute particles from abrasive wheels and of the horrible damage that flying particles from drills and cutting tools can do to the human eye. He wears his safety glasses from the time he enters the shop until he leaves it. He keeps the floor around his workplace free of foil and short pieces of stock. He stacks the rough castings and the finished workpieces separately and neatly.
Each worker in a machine shop, whether he be a machinist, student, or a helper, must develop his own awareness of the importance of avoiding accidents. He must be alert to possible dangers and he must be energetic in correcting conditions and habits that could lead to accidents.
To continue, let's discuss the significance of personal protective equipment, commonly known as PPE. Personal protective equipment is the first line of defense when it comes to ensuring the safety of workers in a machine shop.
Number one is safety glasses. Safety glasses are the crucial piece of PPE. Is a machine shop protecting the eyes from the flying debris and other hazards. And number two is the earplugs. Earplugs are necessary to protect the hearing of the workers in machine shop where loud noises are common. These are often overlooked by constant exposure to loud noises can lead to hearing impairment. And number three is the gloves. Gloves are important to protect the hands of the workers from the cuts, burns, and other injuries. Choose gloves that fit well and are designed for the specific task at hand. And last, number four is the hard hats. From the words itself, it protects the worker's head from the injuries and other hazards. Never forget, the hard hats it's your best defense against falling objects. And take notes For conclusion, safety equipment is not for design or for aesthetic purposes. Safety equipment built to help employers to reduce injuries and workers avoid getting injured at work. Using the safety equipment at work help prevent health hazards and accidents for our workers.
Specific safety. In a machine shop, various machines are used for different purposes, and each one comes with unique safety requirements. It is crucial to be well acquainted with these requirements before operating any machines.
Milling machines. Similarly, when dealing with milling machines, using a brush or a vacuum to remove chips and debris from the machine and work area is a safety practice that helps maintain machine efficiency.
Grinders. Moving on to grinders, ensure that the workpiece is properly secured and the grinding wheel is undamaged. Wearing the right personal protective equipment, including eye protection and a face shield, is a must when working with grinders.
Our next topic is about organizing the shop, which greatly influences the efficiency and safety of the machine shop.
Number one is tool storage. Label all tool boxes and cabinet clearly. And two is group similar tools and equipments together. Number three is frequently used tools within easy reach. And is number four is organized tool storage, save time and prevent loss, increases and productivity.
So, two is the workstation organization. So, first, keep workstations clean and free of the clutter. Second, store raw materials and finished products in designated areas. Third, keeping the workspace clean and clutter-free prevents accidents like slips, trips, and falls.
The last one is floor markings. Use floor markings to designate walkways and walk areas. Mark emergency exits and fire extinguisher locations clearly. Clear, visible signs can guide operators safely around the shop and alert them to potential dangers.
The last but not the least, let's talk about emergency procedures. Being prepared at unforeseen circumstance is crucial in everyday safety measures.
First one, we have emergency stop buttons. All machines in the shop should be equipped with easily accessible and clearly labeled emergency stop buttons. This is an immediate way to halt any machine in case of a sudden safety concerns.
Next one is the evacuation plan. It is essential that all employees are well informed about the evacuation plan in case of an emergency. This plan should be posted in a visible location and regularly practiced to ensure everyone knows what to do in case of fire, accident, or other emergencies.
Finally, having the fully stocked first aids and ready available in the shop is most important. Designing that trained employees to be charged of administering first aids and can of the emergency ensure that immediately medical attention be provided when needed.
In closing, we'd like to emphasize the importance of making safety and organization your top priority in the machine shop. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting the job done right and safe.
As we've discussed, these safety measures and organizational practices aren't just guidelines, they are lifelines. They protect the people who work in the machine shop, ensuring they go home to their families and loved ones in the same condition as when they arrived at work.
Because at the end of the day, it's important to remember that the most valuable product to come out of a machine isn't the component, the assembly, or the finished project. It's the person who made it. Your safety and well-being are the ultimate priorities.
Thank you for watching. We hope that you'll take this knowledge to heart and apply it not just in machine shop, but in all aspects of your work. Safety and organization are the foundation of a productive and responsible workplace.